सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं। मन्ये गतकक्षायां सप्तषष्टितमः अभ्यासः अस्माभिः आरब्धः। संपूर्णश्च पूर्णतया कृतः नूतनश्लोकः षट्षष्टितमः गीताया अष्टादश अध्यायस्य षष्टितमः श्लोकः पठितः। पदच्छेदः कृतः, पदपरिचयः अपि पठितः आसीत्। अद्य तु आकांक्षा द्रष्टव्या अस्ति। आकांक्षां पठित्वा अग्रे सरामः। अभ्यासः अनुवर्तते। So last class we started off with 66th poem of the 18th chapter. We have done Padacheda, we have done Parichaya. Akanksha is to be done today. So over to this Akanksha Srinivas. Arjuna, hey Arjuna, Vraja. Vraja nama Gacha, go or get. Kutra Vraja, where, go where?
Sharanam Vraja.
Go to refuge, take refuge. Kam Sharanam Vraja, whom should you take refuge?
Mam Sharanam Vraja.
Take refuge unto me. Mam, to me, unto me, Sharanam, refuge, Vraja Gacha. Kidrusham Mam Sharanam Vraja. What type of me should you take refuge?
Ekam Mam Sharanam Vraja.
Me alone. So there are commentators who have stressed on this point. Mam Ekam, that is very emphatic. Only Krishna, no other God. So Vaishnava interpretation, they stress more on this point that Mam Ekam. Vyasa is using that specifically. Mam Ekam. He did not say Shankaram Ganesham Saraswati. Mam Ekam. Mam Vasudevam Ekam iti. Narayanam iti. So that is me alone. Kim Krutva Sharanam Vraja. Doing what should you take refuge unto me?
Parityajya.
Parityajya. Leaving. Kan parityajya, kim parityajya, leaving what or leaving what all?
Sarvadharman parityajya.
Sarvadharman parityajya, leaving all the dharmas and adharmas also included, they say. All dharmas as well as adharmas. That we'll see in the Padartha. Aham moksha ishyami, I will release you. I will give you salvation. I will release you. Literally, moksha ishyami, I will set you free. Aham kam moksha, whom will I set free?
Aham tva mokshaishyami.
Aham tva, tvam, tva. Tatra rupadvayam asti asmat shabda. Shabde aham avam vayam. Yushmat shabdaha. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam tva. Yuvam vam. Yushman naha iti. Dvitiya vibhakti. So tvam iti prathama rupam. त्वा इति द्वितीयं रूपं वैकल्पिकं रूपम् अहं त्वा त्वां नाम त्वां मोक्षयिष्यामि I will set you free. केभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि, from what will I release you? सर्वपापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापेभ्यः यानि कानि पापानि तत्र वर्तन्ते तेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि. I will release you from all sorts of so-called sin. Kebhyah mokshayishyam sarvoke. Atah kim? Then what?
Ma shuchaha.
Therefore, then what means? Then don't cry. Ma ashuchaha. So this is lung prayoga, we have discussed in the last class, where ashuchaha in the bhutarte lung, a will be dropped when ma is used. Ma ashuchaha. Ma ashuchaha, but akarasya lopaha bhavati tatra. But as we have already made that correction, lung is used in the prohibitive, it is used with the prohibitive particle ma. Ma iti nishedartaka padamasti. And when it is used with ma, this lung lakara, it is understood in the sense of lot lakara. Anvayartham Srinivas.
Sarva dharmani parityajya ekam mam sharanam vraja. अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः.
एकम् अन्यत् उदाहरणं दत्वा अहम् अन्वयार्थं बोधयामि. हे बाल, बालः अलसो मा भूत् इति एकं वाक्यमस्ति. श्रीनिवास, बालः अलसः मा भूत्, अभूत् इति, मा अभूत् इति अकारस्य लोपः भवति. तत् अस्य वाक्यस्य अर्थः तु लोट्लकारे एव अवगन्तव्यः. कथमिति आङ्ग्लभाषायां लेट् नाट् द बॉय बी लेजी. बालः अलसो मा भूत्, लेट् नाट् द बॉय बिकम लेजी इति अर्थः. सो हियर सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य, तत्र मुद्रणे हलन्त न मुद्रितः. श्रीनिवास, सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य एकं मां शरणं व्रज. यू टेक शेल्टर अनटू मी ओनली. अहं त्वा, I will, अहं myself त्वा, you, सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. अतः मा शोकं कुरु, मा शुचः, मा भीः, मा शोकं मा कुरु इति अर्थः. So don't fear or don't cry that I will set you free from all sorts of dharmas and adharmas. Padartham, Srinivas. Padamasti sarvadharman. समस्त कर्तव्यादीन इति अर्थः अत्र दत्तः. सर्वधर्मान् नाम सर्वधर्मान् सर्वाणि कर्माणि च. कतिचित् साधारण सर्वधर्मान् इति शब्दस्य सर्वधर्मान् सर्व अधर्मान् सर्वाणि कर्माणि च इति. ऑल धर्मास ऑल अधर्मास, कर्तव्यानि अकर्तव्यानि, what are to be done, what ought not to be done. Kechit now dharmas are 3-4 types they explain. Kechit sadharana dharmaha, kechit apad dharmaha. There are some dharmas which are called apad dharma, so where one can take liberty, and sadharana dharma, apad dharma, then vidyamanan, avidyamanan. Okay. Nitya dharmas. एतादृशान् सर्वान् नित्यधर्मान्, साधारणधर्म, आपद्धर्म, धर्मान्, ये धर्माः तत्र प्रकृत्या भवन्ति, अथवा क्षत्रियस्य क्षत्रियधर्मः, ब्राह्मणस्य ब्राह्मणधर्मः, वैश्यस्य वैश्यधर्मः, एतादृशाः अपि तत्र एतादृशान् सर्वान् अपि धर्मान् ये धर्माः तत्र वर्तन्ते, ये अधर्माश्च तत्र वर्तन्ते, तादृशान् सर्वान् अपि परित्यज्य मां केवलं श्रीकृष्णम् एकं शरणं व्रज इति. केचित् आश्रमधर्मास्. फर्दर एलाबोरेशन इज आल्सो देयर. वर्ण धर्म, आश्रम धर्म, आपद धर्म, साधारण धर्म. वर्णाश्रम धर्मास्, आपद धर्म in emergency, and sadharana dharmas are known to us. So like that. So all these things. Then parityajya. Vihaya. Tyaktva. Parityajanam tyaktva. Leaving. Ekam. This ekam goes with mam. Kevalam. Mam. Ekam sarvatmanam samam. सर्वात्मानं समं सर्वभूतस्थं ईश्वरं अच्युतं गर्भ जन्म जरा मरण विवर्जितं अहमेवेति एकं शरणं व्रज इति. सर्वात्मानं समं सर्वभूतस्थं, सर्वभूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं ईश्वरं अच्युतं गर्भ जन्म जरा मरण विवर्जितं अहमेव इति एकं नाम एतादृश अर्थः शरणं व्रज. न मत्तो अन्यद् अस्ति इति, न मत्तः भिन्नः कश्चिद् अन्यः अस्ति इति अवधारयेत्. One should understand that there is no other divinity superior to me. Mattaha parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya. There is one sloka. Mattaha parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mayi sarvamidam protam idam jagat sarvamidam protam mayi sutre maniganaha iti adhyayam na smaraami parantu drishtva mattaha स्वयं कृष्णेन तत्र उद्घोषितं मत्तः परतरं सप्तम अध्याये सप्तम श्लोकः मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किंचिदस्ति धनंजय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणाः इव like a thread the pearls are strung like that the entire cosmos is woven in me in the Narayana, that is so therefore mam ekam like a thread holds the pearls, I hold the entire cosmos, so mam paramatmanam, that is explained sharanam ashrayam vraja gaccha aham ishvaraha tva tvam sarva papebhyah patakebhyah सर्व मोक्षयिष्यामि मोचयिष्यामि उद्धरिष्यामि मा शुचः चिंतां मा कुरु चिंतां मा कुरु इति व्यावहारिकं संस्कृतं शोकं मा कुरु इति शोकं मा कुरु दुःखं मा कुरु don't fear. So that is the padartha. Srinivas Samskrita bhavartha patyata.
हे अर्जुन किं कर्तव्यं किं च न कर्तव्यम् इति समस्त धर्म निर्णयस्य विचारं त्यक्त्वा केवलं मदीयम् आश्रयं स्वीकुरु.
हे अर्जुन ओ अर्जुन किं कर्तव्यं what is to be done किं च न कर्तव्यं what is not to be done इति समस्त धर्म निर्णयस्य विचारं त्यक्त्वा leaving the thought of the entire can say dharma, what do you call samasta dharma nirnayasya, what decision about what to do and what not to do, what is legal, what is illegal, etc. That thought kevalam only madiyam ashrayam svikuru, you just take to my shelter.
तदानीम् अहं सकलेभ्यः पातकेभ्यः त्वाम् अवश्यमेव मोचयिष्यामि.
Then tadanim tada aham tatra Sri Krishna sakalebhyah patakebhyah papebhyah, from all the sins tvam you avashyameva definitely mochayishyami, I will set you free, I will release you.
अतः त्वं शोकं चिन्तां च मा कुरु.
Therefore you do not worry or do not feel sorry for this. I think English is okay. I shall liberate you from all sins, grieve not. So Shankaracharya says dharma shabdena atra adharmopi suchyate gruhyate iti. Tyaja dharmam adharmam cha tyaktva iti. Nidarshanam se no vyakarnam sandhi eka eva. Sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami.
Sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami.
Visarga sandhi. Samasa dvayam sarva dharman. सर्वे च
ते धर्माश्च सर्वधर्माः
तान्
समासः तान् सर्वधर्मान्.
सर्वे च ते धर्माश्च सर्वधर्माः तान् सर्वधर्मान् इति. सर्वपापेभ्यः एवमेव सर्वं च
तत् पापं सर्वपापं कर्मधारयः तेभ्यः सर्वपापेभ्यः.
It could also be सर्वाणि च तानि पापानि. Ekavachana Vigravakya is given. Sarvani, like the above, sarve cha te dharmaha. This can also be in Bahuvachana. Sarvani cha tani papani sarva papani. Tebhyaha sarva papebhyaha. Bahuvachanam is better, I think, Vigravakya, not single. How can there be one papa? When you say sarva papebhyaha, sarvebhyaha papebhyaha. Sarvani cha tani papani sarva papani tebhyah sarva papebhyah only. Krudanta dvayam srinivas parityajya pari upasarga lyap dharmaha dhru man iti ya pratyaya ya man pratyaya krudanta vitpatti.
What is man?
There are so many Krudanta Pratyayas in Sanskrit. Even I do not know them all.
We haven't come across.
So far, yeah. Dhruv Man, Dharma. Yeah, we have not come across, na?
No, omitted and the ma is.
Dhruv Man. A will be remaining there. Dhruv Dhar Ar Dharma. Ma will be Lopa. Vyutpatti. Papam. Pati Rakshati. I wonder this Pati Rakshati Atmanam Asmat. How can this be Papa which protects you here? Pati Rakshati Atmanam Asmat. Punyam is given as Punati, protects you. Rakshati iti. Atra Pati Rakshati Atmanam. Kasmat Rakshati? Papam Rakshati va? Papam na Rakshati. I don't know what derivation it is. But anyway. Dharmaha. This is very popular. Dhriyate Loko Anena. Dharati Lokam va. Yeah. There are so many interpretations. Dhriyate Lokaha Anena. This is a Karmani Prayoga. This world is held by this principle called Dharma. The concept called, the policy called Dharma. Dharma is a law. If you take as law, this world, that is the divine law. This world, Lokaha Anena Dhriyate. Anena Dharmena Dhriyate. It is held. Dharma is held, this world is held by Dharma. And therefore, Dharayati iti Dharma. Dharati iti Dharma. That which holds the. So next is Dharati Lokam. It upholds the world by following, of course. Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitaha we say. Dharmaha Rakshitaha Dharmaha Rakshati. You protect Dharma, Dharma protects you. That is what our people say. Don't take law into your hands. Law is above. Don't take the law into your hands. Nobody is above the law. When we say civic law, when we refer to civic law, that no one is above the law, so everybody has to obey the law. So this is fine, but only this Pati, let us see. What is to be noted here? Avadheyam Vraja Dhatoho Lot Rupani. They are simple. Vrajatu, Vrajatat, Vrajatam, Vrajantu, Prathama Purusha, Vraja, Vrajatat, Vrajatam, Vrajata, Vraja, that is Vrajata, Vrajani, Vrajava, Vrajava. Like Bhavatu, Bhavatam, just like Bhavatu, Bhavatam, Bhavantu, Bhavatat also is there. Bhava, Bhavatat, Bhavatam, Bhavata, Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavama. This is very primary Lot Lakara Rupani.
Can we say like this, Pabam? Patati Atmanam.
Patayati it should be. Not Patati. Patayati Atmanam iti Papam. That would be wonderful derivation, but I don't know what Pati Rakshati. I did not look into. I read it somewhere. Pati Rakshati. Pa Rakshani is there.
Yes.
Pati iti Pita. Mati iti Mata. Mother measures the children, disciplines the children. Father protects the children. Pati Rakshati.
Yes.
So Pa Rakshani is there. So Mane is there. But if you take that Pati here, Rakshati, if he says, how can sin protect? Patayati, it makes you fall. Patayati, Nashayati, Atmanam, iti Papam. So we have done the derivation more better. Anyway, this make a note. Some other time will. Now this Lot Lakara is okay, na? Abhyasa. Ashta Shashtitama, Srinivas, make a correction, 68th sloka 79, regular sloka number. Uchitam Yojayata. Now match. Sarva Dharman, quick. Parityaja. Ekam Sharanam. Sarva Papebhyaha Moksha Ishyami. Mam Vraja. Ma Shuchaha Mam Vraja. That's very simple. Slokam Patitva Uttaram Likhatu. Shokaha Kaha Karoti. Arjunaha Shokam Karoti. Shokam Kaha Karoti. Arjunaha Shokam Karoti. So Kaha Arjunaha. Papasya mokshakarta kaha. Who is the releaser of the sin? Krishna. Kaha Krishna. Parityajya ityatra kaha pratyayah? Lyap. Parityajya ityatra lyap pratyayah. Tva ityatra ka vibhaktihi dvitiya. Tvam tva iti dvitiya vibhaktihi. Vraja ityatra kaha lakaraha? Lot lakara. Lot lakaraha. Vraja ityatra lot lakaraha. Ante sloke kati samasta padani santi. The checkup. I think 2 are there. Sarva papebhyaha sarva dharman. Sarva papebhya is there, na Srinivas?
It is only Bahuvachan, not Samastapadam.
He wants Samastapadam.
That is not Samastapadam.
That is Samastapada only, na? Karmadare, both are Karmadare, Sarva papebhya. Sarvam chat, that is given as Sarvam chat tat papam, but we have made Sarvani cha tani papani. Karmadare.
Padaparichaya, only one is given.
Padaparichaya, that fellow. That we don't go. He has forgotten. Sarva dharman. Sarva papebhya. Akaranta napusalya. That he has not. Okay. And he has not omitted one in Padaparichaya. Sharanam also we included.
Yeah.
The word Sharanam is not given. So 2. Slokasya bhavartam purayat. That you can do. Hey Arjuna.
Kim kartavyam,
Kim
kim
chana.
kartavyam iti samasta dharma nirnayasya vicharam tyaktva kevalam madiyam ashriyam svikuru. Tadanim aham sakalebhyah patakebhyah tvam avashyameva mochayishyami. Atah tvam shokam chintam cha ma kuru. Visleshanusaram sloke prayuktam padam likat. Okay, akaranta pullinga dvitiya bahuvachanam. Kim padam? Sarva dharman. Akaranta pullinga dvitiya bahuvachanam. Akaranta napumsakalinga panchami bahuvachanam sarva papebhyah. Akaranta napumsakalinga dvitiya ekavachanam viseshanam. Napumsakalinga ekavachanam dvitiya. Sharanam, I think. Yeah, Sharanam. Then akaranta napumsakalinga dvitiya ekavachanam. Ekam. Ekam only. Yeah, ekam only. Ante dakaranta pullinga prathama ekavachanam. What is it? Dakaranta pullinga prathama ekavachanam. Asmat shabda. Second line, first word aham. Aham. Dakaranta. So just rapidly repeat it. Sarva dharman, sarva papebhyah, sharanam, ekam and aham. These are the answers. 5. Yathodaharanam riktasthanam. Okay. Parityajya lyap. Given already. Parityajya. Parivrutt lyap. Parivruttya. Having returned. Turned around. Parityajya, having left, having returned. Parisvajya lyap. Parishvajya, sakarasya shakaram. Parishvajya, having embraced. Parishvajya means alingya. Alinganam krutva iti. Parishvajya. Embracing. Parishvajya. Kavishu smaratu. Kavishu latasu. Sakarasya shatvam bhavati. Yadi akarasthane anya ach. Yadi ach bhavati tarhi akarantat bhinnam ach. Pari ikara asti na. Sakarasya shatvam bhavati. So that is paribhrama lyap. Paribhramya. Having roamed around. Parihas lyap. Parihasya. Having laughed or having made joke. Parihasa is laughing at, having laughed. Parinamya. Ana comes here again, Sandhi. Parinamya.
Natva comes here. So parinama means having bent down, having bent, parinamya. Transformed also. Parinama comes from this. Parinamya means having been transformed. So quickly, parivritya, parishvajya, paribhramya, parihasya, parinamya. So evam abhyasa susampannaha slokaha patyatam. 370 Nashto moha smrutirlabdha tvatprasadanmayachyuta sthitosmi gata sandeha karishe vachanam tava. So ayam antimaha slokaha Arjunasya uttaram. Arjuna said, Nashtaha mohaha smrutihi labdha tvat prasadat maya achyuta sthitaha asmi gata sandeha karishye vachanam tava. Smrutihi labdha tvat prasadat mattaha smrutihi gnanam apohanam cha vedaischa sarvair ahameva vedyo vedanta krit veda videva chaham. He has already declared that Krishna, that mattaha smrutihi gnanam apohanam cha. From me comes the smriti, from me comes the gnana, from me comes the forgetfulness also. I mean, apohanam, loss of memory. So, rightly Arjuna says, smrutir labdha. Katham labdha? Tvat prasadat. Bhavataha prasadat heti. So, pada parishayam kurma Srinivas. Nashtaha. Mohaha. Smrutihi ikaranta. Labdha. Tvat prasadat. Samasta. Maya. Asman. Achyuta akaranta. Sthitaha. Asmi. Gata sandeha. Samasta. Karishe kuru iti dhatu. Karishe karishyavahe karishyamahe iti vachanam tava yushmat ekavachanam akanksham tavat he achyuta o achyuta nashtaha lost. Now kaha nashtaha, what is lost? Moha, delusion is lost. Ajnana janyaha mohaha. Ajnana janyaha mohaha. Nashtaha nama uchinnaha. Utpatitaha. Uprooted. Utpatitaha. Labdha. Obtained. Ka labdha. Kim labdha. What is obtained? Smritir labdha. Smritihi labdha. Memory is gained. Moha is dispelled. Kena labdha, by whom is it? By whom is memory obtained? Got. Yeah, Maya Arjunena, by me Arjuna obtained. Kasmat labdha, due to how, due to what is it obtained? Tvat prasadat, tava prasadat, due to your mercy, your grace. Tvat prasadat, bhavataha prasadat labdha, it is obtained due to your grace. Asmi, I am. Kim bhutaha asmi, what type of am I now? I am stationed, I am now formally stationed. Sthirosmi, sthitaha nama sthirosmi, you can say it. Kena prakarena sthitaha asmi, how am I now standing before you? I am standing there, I am stationed before you with the doubt gone, with the doubt dispelled. Gata sandeha. Karishye, I shall do. Kim karishye, what shall I do? I will obey the word. Kasya vachanam, I think. Kasya vachanam karishye. Whose word shall I carry out? Tava vachanam karishye. I will fulfill your word. I will carry out your word. Like a commander giving a command to the soldier, come on, I shall carry your command. He is a soldier after all. Arjuna is a soldier here. Krishna is the commander. Come on, fight. Yudhyasva vigatajvaraha. Now that jvara is gone, he is ready to fight. Anvayartham Srinivas.
He Achyuta, Tvat-prasadat mohaha nashtaha maya smrutir labdha. Aham gata sandehaha gacchasane
Tvachasane
sthitaha asmi tava vachanam karishye.
Hey Arjuna, O Arjuna, Tvat prasadat, due to your grace, favor, mohaha nashtaha asti, my delusion is lost. Smruti, maya smrutihi labdha, and I have gained the memory. Now I am very clear in my mind. Aham gata sandehaha, I am with the doubt gone. Tvat chasane, tvat shasane, in your command. Tava adeshe, tvad adeshe, shasana, shasana means your rule, your order. Tvad shasane stitaha, now I am positioned myself, I have positioned myself in your order. Asmi, positioned. Stitaha asmi, I have stood. Where have I stood? Tvat shasane, in your order. That means I am in your command. Tava vachanam karishya, I shall carry your word forward. So padartham, He Achyuta, He Krishna, Tvat prasadat, Tava krupaya, mohaha, moha means samasta samsara anartha hetuhu. Mohaha nama samasta samsara anartha hetuhu. Sagaraiva dustaraha. Iti Shankaracharyasya. Moha sambandhi tatra. Vyakhyanam. Sambandhis vyakhyanam. Nashtaha. Nashitaha. Nashitaha. Maya. Smrutihi. Atmatattva Vishaya. Atmatattva Vishaya. Smrutihi. Labdha. Gata sandeha. Mukta samshaya. Veda samshaya. Mukta samshaya. Tvachasane. Tvadagnayam. In your order, in your command. Stitaha asmi. Upastitaha asmi. No. Sthitosmi. Bhutaha asmi. Okay. I am firm. Tava tvadiyam vachanam karishye anupalaisha. I will carry out your order. Bhavartham Srinivas.
Arjunaha avadat he Krishna tava krupaya mohaha apagataha maya pratyahavanam punaha praptam sarve samshayaha apagataha santi adhuna aham tvadiya vachanasya palanam avasyam karishyami.
Arjunaha avadat, Arjuna said, Hey Krishna, O Krishna, tava krupaya tvat prasadat, prasadat iti mula padam, with your grace or mercy, mama mohaha apagataha nashtaha, my delusion is dispelled. Maya pratyahvanam, datra halanta lopaha asti, pratyahvanam, uttaram. Pratyahvanam nama uttaram. Maya ahvanam, pratyahvanam, punaha praptam. Again I have got the answer. Once again I have got the answer from you. Sarve samshayaha apagataha. All the doubts have been removed, dispelled. Apagataha santi. All the doubts are dispelled. Adhuna, right now, aham tvadiya vachanasya palanam avasyam karishyami. Now I will obey the words you have said according to your own. English is okay, Srinivas? Nidarshanam, Vyakarna, Sandhaya 3, त्रयः नष्टो मोहः
नष्टः
विसर्गः स्मृतिर्लब्धा स्मृतिः लब्धा विसर्गः त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत त्वत्प्रसादात् स्थितोऽस्मि विसर्गः समासत्रयं त्वत्प्रसादात् गतसन्देहः गतः a person whose sandeha is gone, he whose doubt is been dispelled, achyutah nahi tatpurusha, he achyuta, infallible, the infallible God, achyuta, nachyutah, krudantaha santi, nashtaha nashkta, ktanta moha ghani, smruti labdha च्युतः का प्रत्यय का sometimes ktanta is also given here. Ktanta, from ktanta you get ta, chuta, chu ta ktanta, that is also there. Chavate chavete chavante, this is the dhatu bhuvadigana. Chuta chavate means to drop down. Sthitah sthatta, gataha gam plus ktanta, very simple. Sandeha sam deha iti dhatu ghayit. Vachanam lyut, vachanam, okay. So very few. You can go to the abhyasa now. अभ्यास संख्या पुनः तत्र दोषः एकोनसप्ततितमः अभ्यासः 69th एक्सरसाइज श्लोक संख्या इज 80 विवरणानुसारं श्लोकात् पदानि चित्वा लिखन्तु लिखत इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथम एकवचनं किम् स्मृतिः अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीय एकवचनं किम् अस्ति अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीय एकवचनं वचनं वचनं दकारान्त पुल्लिंग तृतीय एकवचनं न तृतीय दकारान्त तृतीय पुल्लिंग तृतीय एकवचनं तत्र पुल्लिंग इति पुल्लिंगस्य लेखनं maya is, but this is mistake here. Dakaranta pullinga is not to be mentioned because Trishulingeshu samana shabda. Dakaranta pullinga is not to be mentioned here. Dakaranta tritiya ekavachana is maya. Asa iti dhatoh kartari lat uttama purusha ekavachanam asmi iti. Asmi. Asa kartari lat asmi swaha smaha. Stha iti ktanta pratyaya. Sthitah. Akaranta pullinga panchami ekavachanam. Prasadat. Prasada. Akaranta pullinga prathama ekavachanam. Gata sandeha. So rapidly sum it up, Srinivas. Ikara, first one smritihi, second vachanam, third one maya, fourth gha is asmi, nga is sthitaha, cha is prasadat, and the last one is gata sandeha. Ete sarvepi shabdaha sloke tatra vartante tan pashyantu. Slokasya padachedam karaniyam idani. Padachedam nashtaha mohaha smritihi labdha त्वत् प्रसादात् मया अच्युता स्थितः अस्मि गतः संदेह गत संदेहः करिष्ये वचनं तव विसन्धिं कुरुत ब्रेकिंग नष्टो मोहः नष्टः मोहः स्मृतिर्लब्धा स्मृतिः मयाच्युत मया प्लस सवर्ण तथापि अपि त्वत्प्रसादान्मया त्वत्प्रसादात् मया तस्मान् मंदिरात् मंदिरात् अनुनास्य स्थितोस्मि स्थितः ऋषयो गच्छन् agachan, agachan. Rishayah agachan. Vachobravit. Vachaha abravit. Vachobravit. Dharmagno bharatah. That is very simple. You can practice. Fourth point, yatodharanam riktasthanam. Okay. Nashtaha nashtanta. Mohaha muha ghai. Ghai. Smrutihi smrutin. Labda labha tanta. Top. Prasadaha. Prasada. Sada. Prasad. Did not. That is. Then ktanta. Stha iti dhatuhu ktanta. Sandeha sam upasarga. Diha iti dhatuhu gai. Sam deha gai. Slokam patitva uttaram likhantu. Arjunaha kasya nasham vadati. What nasha means destruction does Arjuna speak about?
Mohasya.
Yeah, mohasya. Arjunaha mohasya nasham vadati. Arjuna is talking about the destruction of moha. Achyutaha kaha asti. Achyutaha Sri Krishnaha asti. Arjunaha kam labdhavan. What did Arjuna get? Smrutim. Arjunaha smrutim labdhavan. Arjuna got the memory. Gata sandeha kasya viseshanam. Gata sandeha kasya viseshanam. Gata sandeha Arjunasya viseshanam. Gata sandeha stitosmi kalu. Tava vachanam ityatra kasya vachanam. Krishnasya. Sri Krishnasya. So rapidly sum it up. Arjuna kasya mohasya. Arjuna kaha asti? Achyutaha. Achyutaha Sri Krishnaha asti. Arjuna kam labdha smrutim labdhavan. Gata sandeha kasya viseshanam? Arjunasya. Tava vachanam ityatra kasya vachanam? Sri Krishnasya vachanam. Antena. Shashta. Santi. Vigraha vakyam. Already one or two given here. Gata sandeha. Gataha sandehaha yasya saha. The one whose doubt is removed. Gata shokaha. Similarly, shokaha yasya saha. Similarly, nashta moha. Nashtaha yasya saha. Then this is given Strilinga. Labdha smrutihi yena saha. By whom saha he, yena by whom, smrutihi memory is obtained. So labdha smrutihi. Labdha prasadaha. No. Prasada shabda pullinga. Yena saha. Labdha prasadaha. Yena saha. Labdha prasadaha. Jita krodhaha. Yena saha. Jitaha krodhaha yena saha. He by whom the anger conquered. Jitendriyaha.
Jitaha indriya.
Now here we can put plural indriya shabda. Jitani indriyani yena saha. Jitani indriyani yena saha. Indriya shabda is napumsa. Indriyam, indriye, indriyani. So jitani indriyani yena saha jitendriyaha. This is very simple. Only last one is very. We go to Dhatu Rupani Društva Riktasthana Puranam. Okay. Aham Tava Vachanam Karishye. Pick up Uttama Purusha. Arjuna Bhimau Tava Vachanam Karishyete. Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam. Arjuna Bhimau Tava Vachanam Karishyete. Good. Then Yuvam Mama Vachanam. Yuvam Karishyethe. You both. Karishyethe. Vayam Tava Vachanam. No, Vayam. Vayam Tava Vachanam Karishyamahe. Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Vayam Tava Vachanam Karishyamahe. Tvam Mama Vachanam Karishyase. You will carry out my word. obey my word. Yuyam Krishnasya vachanam
Karishyadve.
karishyadve, second person plural, karishyadve. Arjuna Bhima Yudhishthiraha tava vachanam karishyante. Avam tava vachanam karishyavahe, karishyavahe. So just look up the Purusha and put the simple practice. So I think first person completely given, second person Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam is completely given, third person plural is given, only plural is given. Arjuna Bhima Yudhishthiraha tava vachanam karishyante, but karishyate, karishyate, yeah, dual is also given. Arjuna Bhimau tava vachanam karishyate. I think only third person singular is not given for practice. Saha tava vachanam karishyate. Or you can say Arjunaha tava vachanam karishyate. If you take, then all the 9 examples will be there. These are not 9, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. That is what. One is missing. Third person singular example is given. Sentence is missing. So you can say Arjunaha tava vachanam karishyate. That will be. Now, 8th point. Arjunasya mohasya karanani sarla samskrita bhashaya dashavakyeshu nikata. He is saying, no, moha karanani tatra bahuni karanani santi. So I have made some, because it requires to think from the previous background. Arjunaha bandhunam gurunam cha vadham ashankya mohat swadharmamapi tyaktum udyuktaha abhavat iti ekam dirgham vakyam. Arjunaha bandhunam gurunam cha vadham ashankya mohat swadharmamapi tyaktum udyukto bhavat, udyuktaha abhavat. He prepared to leave his own dharma, expecting the killing, anticipating the killing of his own relatives and teachers. Ajnanataha, due to ignorance, sa eva hanta iti matva, thinking himself to be the terminator or the killer. Ajnanataha sa eva hanta iti matva dukkham anvabhut. He experienced a lot of misery. Due to what? Ajnanat. Srinivas. Ajnanataha sa atman sa eva hanta iti matva dukkham anvabhut. Prakriti swabhavam na janan, not knowing the nature of nature, the working of nature. Prakriti swabhavam na janan, not knowing the attitude, you can say, the way of the nature. Arjunaha swayameva samasta kuruvamshasya nashana karanamiti mohitaha jataha. Prakritehe swabhavam na janan Arjunaha swayameva samasta kuruvamshasya nashana karanamiti. Matva already iti mohitaha jataha. He became deluded. Matva mohitaha abhavat also you can say. Saha karpanya doshopa hatena manasa. Saha Arjunaha karpanya doshopa hatena. That is the word used in the slokas. Doshopa hatena manasa kurukshayam, kulakshayam syaditi. The dynasty will be exterminated. Amanyata. He thought like that. Kulakshaye kuladharmaha nashtaha bhavanti iti. Kulakshaye kuladharmaha nashtaha bhavanti iti. Tena varnasankaro jayeta ityapi. By that there will be intermixing of the castes. Ityapi. Bhranto abhavat. He became totally deluded. Tasmai na vijayam na rajyam na sukhani na jivitam na bhogascha rochante sma. He did not like, Arjuna did not like, he did neither like success, nor the kingdom, nor the comforts, nor the life itself, nor even the luxuries. Tasmai Arjunaya na vijayam, na rajyam, na sukhani, na jivitam cha bhoga, na vijayah, kshamitam. Tasmai na vijayo, na rajyam, na sukhani, na jivitam, na bhogascha rochante sma. He did not like all these things. So this is what we are going to write now, Srinivas. This is point, last point, huh? Abhyasa 9. तत्र दशवाक्यानि न सन्ति, न्यून वाक्यखण्डः. अर्जुनः बन्धूनां गुरूणां च वधमाशंक्य मोहात् स्वधर्ममपि त्यक्तुम् उद्युक्तो भवत्. इति प्रथमं वाक्यम्. अज्ञानतः, I will not number, just write. अज्ञानतः स एव हन्ता इति मत्वा अज्ञानतः स एव हन्ता इति मत्वा दुःखम् अन्वभूत्. अनन्तरं प्रकृति स्वभावं न जानन् प्रकृति स्वभावं न जानन् अर्जुनः स्वयमेव समस्त कुरुवंशस्य
नाशन कारणमिति नाशन कारणमिति मोहितो जातः। मोहितः is also okay. मोहितः स कार्पण्य दोषोपहतेन मानसः मोहितः जातः। कार्पण्य दोषोपहतेन मनसा कुलक्षयं स्यादिति कुलक्षयं स्यादिति अमन्यत। कुलक्षये कुलधर्माः कुलक्षये कुलधर्माः नष्टाः भवन्ति इति नष्टाः भवन्ति इति तेन वर्ण संकरो जायेत इत्यपि। जायेत इत्यपि भ्रांतो अभवत्। One more line is there. Tasmai, can we write down? न विजयः न सुखम न राज्यम न विजयः न राज्यम न सुखम। There's a change here. विजयः न राज्यम न सुखम। Rajyam, I'll write on the top, last sentence. Rajyam, with a different pen will write. Na Rajyam, na सुखम न सुखानि न जीवितम न जीवितम अन्ते न भोगाश्च रोचन्ते स्म. So just read Srinivas, full stop.
अर्जुनः बन्धूनां गुरूणां च वधमाशङ्क्य मोहात् स्वधर्ममपि
त्यक्तुम् उद्युक्तो अभवत्.
अज्ञानतः स एव हन्ता इति मत्वा
दुःखम् अन्वभूत्.
दुःखमन्वभूत्. प्रकृति स्वभावं न जानन् अर्जुनः स्वयमेव समस्त कुरुवंशस्य नाशनकारणमिति मोहितः जातः. अच्छा मोहितो जातः. ओके. कार्पण्य दोषोपहतेन मनसा कुलक्षयं स्यादिति अमन्यत. कुलक्षये कुलधर्माः
नष्टाः भवन्तीति
तेन वर्णसंकरो
जायेत इत्यपि
भ्रान्तो
अभवत्.
तस्मै न विजयः न राज्यं न सुखानि न जीवितं
न भोगाश्च रोचन्ते स्म. रोचन्ते स्म. He did not like these things. अत्र स्थापयामः. शुभं भूयात्.